Happy Friday! We've made it to Friday. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening whenever you're watching this. I hope you guys are having a fabulous Friday already. I am so excited about today because I have a special fun little song that you will be doing at the end of the day. I can't wait to see how you guys like that song. I am so excited. Mrs. Hensley is going to have to be getting up and dancing and having a good time with the song too. Okay, well, we are going to do our calendar just as we start our day every day. So let's get started, okay? September is the month that we are in. So here we go. We're singing the 12 months of the year. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! So, the month that we are in right now is September. And today, friends, is what comes after the number 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. You're right. You guys are so smart. Kiss your brain. So smart. Okay, the number 4, and it is green. So we're going to put it up here. Now, does anybody see anything about our calendar? What is this? Red, green, red, green. What is that? What is that called? It is called a pattern. If you said pattern, you are right. Okay, and if we were to give that pattern letters, it would be all the red ones are A and all the green ones are B. One color A, another color B. Let's go. A, B. A, B. So that is an A-B pattern. Okay, so today is September the 4th, 2020. So, Mrs. Hensley put that on the Friday. Today is Friday, isn't it? So, let's get our Friday to put on our sentence. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. What comes after Friday? We have to sing our Days of the Week song. Here we go. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you guys hear what comes after Friday? Let's see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday comes after Friday. So, today is Friday and tomorrow will be Saturday. Oh my goodness, we need to know what comes before Friday. So here we go. Before Friday, because that will be what yesterday was. Some of you may remember what yesterday was. Here we go. Before Friday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What was this one? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Thursday comes before Friday. So, Thursday, I think I forgot to show you Saturday for tomorrow. Thursday, yesterday was Thursday. So we have yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Again, our season is summer. We're still in summer. And let's see. We need to add the days that we've been in school. So here's for today, which is Friday. Okay. So let's add that to our pocket chart in the ones column because we don't have 10 yet, I don't think. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have been in school 7 days. So let's put those back in there because we don't do anything with those until we get to 10. Okay, so we need to add a tally for another day that we have been in school. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or if you know that's 5, you could count on 5, 6, 7. We have been in school 7 days. So let Mrs. Hensley write the number 7 up here. There we go. We have been in school 7 days. Now Mrs. Hensley needs to write the date. So when we start writing in our journals, oh, wrong way, Mrs. Hensley. I get confused. Okay, so when we start writing in our journals, you will need to write this, okay? So September is which month? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August. September, the 9th month. 9-4, because it's the 4th day, -20. Now remember, Mrs. Hensley said there is a way to make September shorter, and it is SEPT. That's called an abbreviation with a period, finger space, 4, 2020. And the long date for September is SEPTEMBER, 4th, 2020. You won't have to write all of these on your journal. You'll just choose the one you want to write when we do our journal, okay? Okay. We need to talk about what we are doing today. So, today you're going to listen to the story Chrysanthemum. And after you listen to the story, you will have a fun name activity that you will do. And Mrs. Hensley will videotape that and show you how to do that. After that, for math, you will go to Seesaw and there will be an assignment that will be about your name. You'll be counting the letters in your name. And then you will have an All About Me template, which will have you fill in some information about you so we can learn more about you. And then the last thing we have on our list today is a wonderful, fun Friday song. I can't wait till you guys watch that. It's so much fun. I love it. I can't wait to dance to it. Okay, and then that'll be the end of our day, and then we have a weekend, okay? Our question of the day, actually, it's not really a question. Do you remember your red house that has pictures on it? You are going to get your red house. It should be done by now. It should have family pictures on it. You're going to get your red house and you are going to take a picture of it with your iPad and you're going to upload that, hit the add response button. You're going to take a picture, put it in Seesaw. It should be in Seesaw once you do the add response button and you take a picture. And then you are going to hit the checkmark button. Mrs. Hensley wants a picture of your red house with your family. Oh, I think you've already provided me with a picture now that I think about it. You are just going to tell me about your red house of family pictures. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. And if you can't make a mistake, you can't make anything. So you're not going to take a picture of your red house. You are going to tell me about it. So have someone video you or set the iPad up somewhere where you can video and hold your red house up and tell me about it. Who are in those pictures, okay? I can't wait to hear about your family. I'm so excited. And then put that back in a safe place so you have it for when we come back to school because Mrs. Hensley wants to hang those up, okay? You guys have a fabulous Friday and I will see you soon.